What would you do if the bridge you relied on suddenly collapsed, leaving you stranded? In a bustling kingdom divided by a wide, raging river, a single bridge connected the two sides. This bridge wasn't just a pathway, it was the lifeline of the kingdom. Farmers from the west brought their crops to market in the east. Traders carried goods across the river, and families reunited after long separations. The bridgekeeper, a wealthy and powerful figure, controlled all who crossed. "The bridge must be maintained," he said, collecting tolls from every traveler. Over the years, the tolls grew higher, and the bridgekeeper became richer. But the bridge itself, its wooden planks and stone pillars, began to weaken. One day, as a caravan of merchants crossed, the inevitable happened. The bridge collapsed, plunging travelers and goods into the river below. Panic swept through the kingdom. Without the bridge, the two sides of the kingdom were cut off. Trade stopped, markets emptied, and families were stranded. The people rushed to the bridgekeeper, demanding answers. "You took our tolls," they cried. "Why didn't you maintain the bridge?" The bridgekeeper shrugged. "The river is unpredictable. Building a new bridge will take time and even higher tolls." The people were left helpless until a stranger arrived. He carried no goods, no gold, but a small, glowing sphere that pulsed with energy. "You don't need the bridge," the stranger said. "I have something better." "What could possibly replace the bridge?" The people scoffed. The stranger held up the sphere. "This is a network of nodes. It doesn't rely on one bridge, one keeper, or one path. It's a system where everyone can connect directly, crossing the river without tolls or control." The people were skeptical. "But how does it work? How can we trust something we can't see?" The stranger smiled. "Each node is connected to the others. Together, they form a web that spans the river and the world. No single person controls it. No single point can break it. Every connection strengthens the network, making it more reliable than any bridge." One brave farmer decided to try it. Using the network of nodes, he sent his goods across the river instantly and without cost. Word spread, and soon, more people joined the network. They realized they no longer needed the bridge or the tolls. The river was no longer an obstacle. The bridgekeeper watched in disbelief as his power crumbled. His once busy bridge lay in ruins, forgotten. The people had found a way to connect that couldn't be broken or controlled. The bridge is the old financial system, centralized and fragile. The network of nodes is Bitcoin and blockchain technology, decentralized and unbreakable. The question is, will you keep relying on a broken bridge, or will you join the network of the future?